kum kawai nakamat kabakong san ban penbit pynbiang hakaliang kakot kakya kabaderu kamat kabahakmat jong kasorkar jela kabalalam kmat daga sorkar MDA menta kasngi umentri rangba kajela ukonrat ke sangma ulahir hi dalade ban jurip ya kanongpo civil hospital bat ban pelong ya kajingelang ban tokit halor ka jingtreikam bat ki jingtreikam jong ki jaka sumar Hapoh kane ka district hakane ka jinglet jurip jong umentri rangba kajela lasenran langru da umentri katanat kakot kakya uba AL hek kiamale na kisantli ki konstituensi ki bakuntup ya uba Meral Bonds nanongpo uba Jason Sokmi Molong na umsning uba Sostines Sotun na Jirang uba George B Lengdo na Umroy bat uba Dasaket Lamare na Mahoti ka Deputy Commissioner ka District ka Kong RM Kurba u District Medical and Health Officer ka District u Dr. M Mauri lembat kiwi ki doktor ki officer jong katanat ka kwat kakya lengba kani ka jinghiar jurip u menteri rangba la jurip ru ya ka building jong ka trauma center ka baladep pentai mental lajan khalai snam Henry Umsyam lalapat ban pli pajba hadu kini kesngi nalor kane usiam ulalit ru ban jurip ya ka civil hospital kumju ya ki pajba ki patiapang hakane ka hospital hakba kum menteri rangba ulala ban tim halor ki jingduna bat ki jingdokam jong kane ka hospital hadin ka jingjurip ya ka civil hospital menteri rangba ulasongpat haka jingelang banti benya halor ki jingtreikam jong ki jaka ajing sumar jong kane ka district hakaba lai tai benya halor ki jingtemu jong ka sorkar jela ban pynbiang ya ki dawai dashin bat kumno ban punyo ya ki pajba ya ki dawai dashin klem kano ka jingsiu badru halor ka jing penbit pynbiang ya ka jing perung kerteng ya ki pajba Hapoh ka insurance scheme kata ka Megha health insurance scheme nakaliang menteri rangba ula pentip ru baka jing pentrekam nakabenta ban penbit pynbiang ya ki jaka ajing sumar Hapoh kane ka district kinya chait bat ka jing pli pajba ya ka trauma center onla ban plino Hapoh ka saupusan sngi bat kumjuru ban penbit pynbiang ya ki ambulans ki jaka ajing sumar ki bapaka ki dawai dashin ki babiang baru ban pentrekam hok ya ka blood bank ka badon Hapoh nompo civil hospital.
Evening to our press fraternity. I thank you for coming to this press briefing. Today we had a review meeting of the health department in general, but with more specific attention to Hapoh district and specifically to the MHIS program and the free medicine program that has been started by Government of Meghalaya. And the Honorable Minister, Mr. A.L. Hek, and all the MLAs from Hapoh district have participated in this review meeting, and we had officials from the department who were here and the administration. While we were discussing about the free medicine program, we have taken views from everybody from the DHMO level all the way down to the different pharmacists who are there in PHCs, CHCs, to the medical officers to really understand the grassroots problem and the mechanism which things work. And the objective being to ensure that the system improves and ultimately whatever medicines are supposed to reach the people, they reach in time and good quality medicines reach. So with all these objectives, we have reviewed this and taken information and suggestions from everyone. And I'm happy to inform that we have more or less decided in this meeting that we are going to go ahead with an online system for indenting the medicines so that the demand and supply of the medicines and the usage of the medicines will be done online. And this system will take about 3 months to come up. And the secretary and the director medical have been asked to take necessary steps to ensure that this entire medicine supply to the different districts and the PHCs, CHCs and the sub-centers and the usage of this medicine all will be done online. And I think this will allow us to keep track of what's happening and ensure that there is a better efficiency in the system. And more importantly, trend and data analytics can be done in the future to actually predict what kind of medicines might be required at the grassroots level. So that was from the medicine point of view. We also reviewed the MHIS, and the intention is, of course, is to ensure that the coverage is done at the fastest pace possible. And in fact, the department has really moved very fast, and more manpower has been engaged, more technical staff has been engaged to ensure that we are able to cover the entire population of the state. As you're aware that in this scheme, the entire population of the state is being included, and therefore 30 lakh people have to be given cards, and that is where the task and the challenge lies. But the department and the concerned people have been given a time-bound manner in which they have to move. Though it's very challenging, but I'm sure that with the committed effort of the team members, we will be able to achieve the targets that are there. Apart from that, of course, the basic infrastructure in different PHCs, CHCs, including power supply, including the manpower requirements, all of these areas were discussed. And I'm happy to inform you that we have decided that when it comes to medicine, that storage space for the medicine in all the districts will be created to ensure that the stock of the medicine there is in the districts. At the same time, water and power supply in all the PHCs and CHCs to start off in Hapoh district will be covered at the earliest. At the same time, the trauma center which is there in Hapoh will be made functional within the next 45 days with manpower being sanctioned, and to ensure that all the necessary infrastructure is in place. The government has sanctioned the necessary funds and the manpower for that purpose. And this trauma center, which has been a big area of concern for everyone, a building that has been constructed for the past 10 years but not made functional, is going to be made functional in the next 45 days. Apart from that, also necessary infra and basic power backup supply in the centers like the blood bank that is there here in Hapoh, the new one. All those areas also are being looked into, and the entire objective of our meeting is to ensure that we can improve the basic health services that we're supposed to provide at the grassroots level. And the concerned MLAs have expressed their concerns about their respective constituencies. All the MLAs participated very, very positively in the discussion, and areas of concern like the infrastructure in terms of the water supply, the power supply, basic building infrastructure of the PHCs, CHCs, the manpower issue in the PHCs, CHCs, the ambulances that are there. All these aspects are not there, I should say. All these aspects were expressed by all the MLAs of Hapoh district, and we have taken positive note of all those aspects, and the government is committed to ensure that those shortcomings also are taken care of at the earliest. So there were many issues discussed, but this is a basic briefing. If you have any further questions, I'm happy to answer them.
Sir, regarding the ambulance here in Hapoh Civil Hospital, which is the only civil hospital, but there is no ambulance till date.
We have decided that ambulance will be given. We are just going for the process now, and the existing ambulance, which is in a very bad shape, is going to be condemned, and a new ambulance will be provided at the earliest. The decision has been made, and it will be done in a very short time.
This infrastructure, sir, which is not utilized by the Department of Health, sir, if anything like.
Which one?
The building, sir.
Yeah, the building is the trauma center which you're talking about, right?
Okay, and then the other buildings, like you went to inspect the.
That was a trauma center.
No, the next to
the blood bank.
The blood bank.
Yeah, the blood bank also, as I said, this will be also inaugurated very soon. So in fact, a team from the Government of India is coming on the 6th of this month to check the basic infra and the facilities that are there